Hey everyone, welcome to another video. I wanted to do this sort of roundtable thing where I just ask new incoming students who are already in the US their experiences, uh, the weird things they faced, etc. So I have Sharat, Swaraj, and Shrivanti here. I did not plan it out. They both are S's. So and let's just see what they want to say. All right, tell me a little bit about yourself. Why don't we start with Swaraj?
Okay. So I did my undergrad from Pune University, Maharashtra Institute of Technology in computer engineering.
Mhm.
And I completed my engineering this like last year. During the pandemic, I had my last semester. So we had our exams in October. After that, I actually had to defer my admit from fall to spring.
Uh,
So yeah, so I got into NYU and I'm studying here management of technology. So I came in on 30th of December. So I've been here since like more 20 days or something.
I like your hoodie, man.
Thank you. I'm wearing the NYU
Nice,
merch.
nice. Shravanti, why don't you introduce
Yes,
yourself?
yes. I did my undergrad in BS Optometry
Hmm.
at BITS Pilani, and yeah, that comes even under LV Prasad Eye Institute. It's a collaboration,
Okay.
and I am doing my masters now in health informatics at IUPUI.
Oh, nice. Oh, is it really cold in Indiana right now? It must be really cold.
Yeah, yeah, little bit. Like I am inside, right? So it's not much.
Right, right, right. But still, is it snowing out there or no?
No, no, present it's not showing.
Not yet. Sharath, why don't you introduce yourself, man?
Yeah,
Did I pronounce your name
I'm
correct, first of all?
Sharath. Yeah,
Sharath, right.
I guess. Yeah, yeah. So I'm Sharath Nayak, and I'm from Bangalore. I did my undergrad at MS Ramaya Institute. I graduated in 2018, and even I had actually admit in fall 2020, had to defer it to this one spring.
Oh.
I came here around a month back, December 20th. And right now I am in University of Illinois, Chicago, doing my master's in computer science.
Nice. So you're in New York, you're in Chicago, you are, I'm not sure,
Yes.
IUPUI, is it in Indianapolis or,
Yes, Indianapolis.
okay, so all capital cities. Are you guys all comfortable with Hindi or no?
It's okay.
Yeah,
We are fine.
I'm
Yeah,
comfortable.
I can understand.
Okay, you can understand. Not a problem. I was just saying because how are you guys feeling? Tell me about your experiences arriving. Is this your first time in the US?
Yes,
Yes.
it's my first time abroad.
How you guys feel? Like, first of all, before coming, before getting onto the flight, tell me your like, were you scared, nervous? What were your thoughts going on?
Yes, I was nervous. I was traveling alone
Uh-huh.
and I was really nervous. Like anyone in my family haven't gone to abroad anytime, like out of country.
Hmm. What about
So,
you, Suraj?
so I was actually gonna travel with two of my friends, and actually one of them had to cancel his flight because he got tested positive. So
Oh, no
we
way.
were two people left. Yeah. So I was really scared. Like first time traveling abroad. This was my second flight of my flight.
Hmm.
So and going from 20 degrees to -2 was a real experience.
And like, did you come to JFK or EW, Newark Airport, or which one?
Newark Airport.
And
Yeah,
how's the experience driving to New York and seeing the city line? Did you come at night or
crazy,
did you
crazy. Like
you come in the
no,
morning?
we landed in the morning, 7 a.m. So it was like -3 the day we landed, and the shock when we get out of the airport, the cold shock, it was crazy.
Uh, yeah,
And we had booked a cab, so directly we like seeing the skyline for the first time. It's so awesome.
yeah. It's like once you, because I also traveled to New York for the first time last year itself. No, last to last year, 2019, and I was in the same awe. Like, it doesn't matter how many pictures or videos you see of it. It's like the experience to be there. Even both of you, once you get a chance, in summer breaks sometimes, Go to New York. There's no city like that.
It's
Sharad,
so empty right now, by the way. New
yeah,
York is
yeah,
empty.
yeah.
Yeah, honestly, my traveling experience was a bit this one, I guess, like because we had made friends here. So around 2 months or 3 months back, we had a group, right? Like on WhatsApp, we have groups. So had made quite a few friends, and then we all met at Delhi airport. I traveled from Bangalore, so I didn't actually feel like I was traveling until I reached here. Like it was just a normal this one for me, and then I was in flight, and after 15 hours of flight, once I landed in Chicago and experienced the cold outside, I actually felt that I am here.
Yeah, it's the same thing. So Chicago's airports,
Yeah.
for example, like same as Newark, right? New York.
Yeah,
The Newark airport, I'm not sure if it's pronounced Newark or Newark, but that airport is a little outside of the city as well. So when you drive, so are you living in downtown right now?
Yeah, I am in downtown. Yeah.
That's nice because like you drive down in the city.
Yeah. It's just beautiful, the Chicago skyline, and yeah, it's very pristine, and it was like really awesome. Yeah.
Yeah, how's your flight coming in? So you came to Chicago and then drove to Indianapolis, or did you come?
Yes, I first landed at Chicago and then I drove to Indiana.
And did you meet any other people from IUPUI, or were you the alone?
Yeah, so when I was coming here at the Rajiv Gandhi Airport,
Uh-huh.
so I made three friends in the airport itself.
Nice.
So they were there till Chicago, and then I was alone again till Indiana.
Right. Did you meet any other Indian people at Indiana right now?
No. At Chicago to Indiana, I did not find any people. I was alone actually.
It's yeah, Indianapolis is what, 2 hours, 2.5 hours?
Yeah, 1.5 hours.
1.5 hours, not bad. Okay, so how are you guys feeling up until now? Like Swaraj, you have been here 20 days. Sharath, how long have you been
Yes.
in US?
It's been a month now.
And what about you, Shruti?
Even me, 1 month.
1 month? How are you guys feeling?
Yeah,
Good.
I
Like
came.
I am kind of acclimatizing to the weather and getting used to traveling in the city, knowing new stuff, like uh, using the subway, getting used to crazy people around in the city.
Right.
People will yell at you for no reason.
Yeah.
So yeah, getting used to all of that.
What about you, Shravanti?
Yeah, I came here and I made few friends over here and from India only. So my group health informatics in Indiana, everyone like the strength is 35 and 33 people are Indians only.
Oh, no way.
Yes.
It's a famous university for health informatics then, huh?
Yeah. So almost most of the strength is like all are Indians. I have seen only two people who are Americans or some other country.
Right.
So whomever I made friends, they all are Indian. So it's usual. It's
Yeah,
not much
it's
exciting,
nice
but
if you come to a new country and you have like all these Indian friends, because like then you don't
yeah,
feel scared or
scared. Yes.
homesickness is not there. But yeah, I would encourage you guys to like kind of meet American people, do part-time jobs if you can. What about you, Sharad? Like, how's your experience been?
Yeah, like I would say I have a similar experience actually, like since like almost like around 30 people are there in my class right now, and then mostly all of them are Indians. And as I
What
was
are you
coming in
studying
computer science, masters in computer science, MSc, yeah. So like as I was accompanied by friends, almost around 7 or 8 of us traveled that day to Chicago, and then almost here also we are all living on the same street. So they're right here beside, they're like neighbors. So even I didn't feel that much of a this one difference, because we all were together. We were figuring out stuff, going out, where to buy stuff and how to travel around. It was not that tough. We were helping each other out. But yeah, we are getting used to things here.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
What
it's
is
been
your
good.
what is your weirdest experience been until now?
Weirdest I would say for me, yeah, like actually what happened, we went out on Christmas Eve, I guess. Like we just wanted to explore the city a little bit or something, and it was just 6:30, 7 o'clock. And we went to Michigan Avenue, and it's right in downtown of Chicago. And then we were like, there must be places open, and we just wanted to buy some jackets and roam around and stuff. And then we went to the downtown. It's almost everything, all the shops are closed and no one is walking on the streets. And it's at 6:37. So we were four of us, and then we are going and trying to open the doors of this one, Macy's and all the other superstores, but they are not opening. And there was this cops who were like guarding this one, and they're like staring at us as if we are going to break down the place or something. We got scared at that time. Two of the cops were right staring at us, and then we just went from that place and booked a cab and just took off from that place. Yeah, we were shit scared that time, to be honest.
Yeah, initially, like every cop is kind of like scary.
Yeah.
I think after a while, you just like, they're just normal people, so you just get used to it.
Yeah.
And in general, I think I've seen this trend that cops here, like Indian people, they'll take it very lightly because Indian people do not create sort of chaos. You know how American people would do, like regardless white, Asian people or black people. Indian people they keep low and they keep to themselves, so they don't create too much trouble for us. How about you, Swaraj? Like, what was your weirdest experience with?
I'm not sure if this should go live, but listen to this story. So I'm getting used to seeing the drug deals happening on my street.
That's okay, man. Like if it's going live, that's fine.
And here we have the system of buzzing people into the building, right? So I guess unknowingly someone on the phone said that it's a package and unknowingly buzzed it. So that person came in and he was sitting in a lobby, in the building lobby, and he was doing drugs. And it was morning time, so I was like, I'll do my breakfast and then I'll get the package, because I was expecting my credit card to come. So I went down and I saw him with an injection, and he was pricking himself. Yeah, it was like, I was so scared. But then I asked him that if did he know where the package went? So later out, they figure out that man buzzed the door and he came inside and he was sitting there and doing drugs.
No way, man. That is scary.
Yeah, and later when I asked him if he lived there, he just got up. He had milk and cereal. He just got up and he left.
We should be careful, man. New York is a wild city.
Yeah, that's the time when I knew that I shouldn't buzz anyone else. Just check all our apps if they're delivering, and then only let people.
Yeah. Be careful. What about you, Shravanti?
Yeah, it's pretty much same as Sharad. Like at the night times, it was like in India, we at the night or morning, every time there will be more people, right, surrounding us. But here, if it is night, the people, I can't see people more actually. There were cars more than, like cars are more than people actually. So
especially in the winter time.
Yeah, I came during Christmas Eve, and it's like I was new and I was totally scary actually. I was living alone for some days. Yeah, and then I can't even go out and explore the city and all.
Especially like right now in summers, it's really nice. All the three cities you guys are in, summers is like the best time of the year. But for now, it's going to be like that. And then there are cities, Indianapolis is one of those cities where it's more cars than people. New York, more people than cars. And even Chicago is like more people than cars. But since it's so cold right now, people don't want to walk outside. But once, I would say April, May, June, July will hit, and then it'll be like you'll see people everywhere. It'll be really nice. Have you traveled with the metro there yet?
Yes. Done that.
How's your experience? Good? Or did you see anything crazy?
Nothing crazy. Just homeless people come and announce that they need food and they need support. And I've seen people singing in the metro, just crossing the main bogies from distance. It's not suggested, but the metro is running and those people just directly cross. And there are a lot of homeless people in New York, especially the Penn Station. I'm staying near Penn Station, so I see a lot of homeless people there.
Right, right. Penn
It's
State.
kind of scary
So,
at
are you living in New York, Manhattan, or New Jersey side?
Manhattan, Midtown. I'm living in Midtown.
Oh, nice, nice.
Times Square is like 10 minutes away.
Oh shit, no,
Okay.
that's nice. How
Yeah.
about you, Suraj? Or sorry, Sharath, how about you?
Yeah, like I did not have to travel, like did not get a chance to travel in the public transport till now because I am staying very close to college, like around 1.6 miles or something. And it is in Chicago, right? Like as you go west or south side, it's not that safe. So
Oh
I'm
yeah,
as
especially UIC, isn't it like right on the south side?
no, UIC is actually in downtown part.
Oh, so
I think IIT is
IIT
in
is
the
on
south.
south
Yeah,
side. Yeah.
yeah. So
Yeah.
that's one good thing. But then yeah, like we are staying very close to college, and we go to rec center, use the library at the college. But we usually walk and go, or there are DV cycles here by I think Lyft. So they charge like minimal $3 or something for 45 minutes. So we just take those and roam around the campus, and yeah, been pretty much using those till now.
How's what do you call? Have you been to Devon Street yet?
No, not Devon Street.
Try.
I have
Yeah,
to. Yeah,
like
yeah, sure.
Devon Street. I think there's a street in Chicago which is called Devon Street. It's a Indian and Pakistani street.
Indian Pakistani street. Yeah,
Yeah,
heard about it.
and I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
there's like a cross street going in between that, which is called like Mahatma Gandhi Road or something like that. Check it out. I
Oh,
think one of it
yeah,
is
yeah.
called something like that. What about you, Shavanti? Like any
Yeah, I
public
haven't.
transport weird experiences like that, or do you just been walking around a lot?
Yeah, I explored just the downtown Indianapolis.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I have like when I went to visit the place, I just made my bank account and things over there. So I explored only downtown, and here everything is not open yet totally, and even my university is not yet open. It will be opened on
Oh,
Feb 9th.
okay,
Yeah,
that's still not bad. It's
yeah,
almost there.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's there
How's
20 days more.
did you try Paradise Biryani there yet or no?
Yeah. So I ate in Hyderabad house.
Oh yeah,
This is like
sorry, Hyderabad House. Yeah, I've
yeah.
been there
But
once.
yeah, Hyderabad house is very famous.
Yeah,
Like everyone over here eats there only.
yeah,
The
it is
food over
really
there
good.
is very good, like very tasty. It's like I'm eating in my hometown.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah.
whenever somebody would go to pick up a friend of ours from Indianapolis, like what we would do is like we would give them orders, like all right, four chicken biryani or five veg biryani or pulao or whatever, and then they would have like a whole car trunk full of food, and they would go and deliver in houses. Uh, that's nice. How's okay? So I want to hear this. This is a very important question. How's your first experience seeing the American campus? That's a big deal. Seeing NYU's campus, how was it for you? Like just seeing all these
So
buildings and rec center and what do you call all these resources? It's much different than any of the Indian universities. How was your experience with that?
So I'll go first. So
Yeah.
my college is starting next week, 28th of Jan. So I haven't been to any classes yet, but I have seen around the campus. I went to the Washington Square campus. My campus, the engineering school, is in Brooklyn.
Mhm.
So it's I haven't just entered the building, but saw it from outside. And the Washington Square Park campus is really beautiful.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
I was
and
there in 2019 when people were graduating, and we would see like all the people coming out of the
yeah, I saw your video. I saw
yeah.
your video.
That was really cool. Like parents
Yeah.
taking picture, Washington Square Park full, like it was full of people. How was your experience, Sharad?
Yeah, it's pretty good actually. The campus here, the rec center is amazing. Um, it's like 4 floors, and on top floor it's completely gym, and the gym is huge. they have two there's rec centers here, one on the West Campus and East Campus. West for the medical college and stuff, and then for the East is engineering and other colleges.
Right.
And it's really well maintained, and there are all sorts of gym equipments present there, and there's a few days they provide personal training, like for 30 minutes of free personal training. And there's a pool there. There are different basketball court, and there are clubs, sort of like badminton club, tennis club, and all sorts of games, cricket club, almost everything. And they have I think twice or thrice in a week they all meet and they play these sports. And there's really a lot of opportunities for sure, like whatever you are interested in, you want to get into. There are all contacts. Yeah, they have assigned a president and vice president for each of the clubs, and it's all organized, very well organized, and funded, I guess, all the clubs also. So it's really, like, I feel it's worth paying that little extra fees for all this if you are making use of it. So yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. How about you, Shravanti? How was your first? Isn't IUPUI's campus really beautiful?
Yeah, like the buildings were huge.
It's like
It's the
like
first time. Yeah.
it's like Harry Potter, out of Harry Potter's movie. Some of the buildings look like
Yeah. Like it's the first time I was seeing. I saw like very huge buildings, actually huge university.
right.
Yeah, even in my bachelor's, the university is actually small, but this is so compared to this, the first time I'm seeing very huge buildings, and the surrounding environment is very good actually. But now it's school, I am unable to explore more, and also the campus is not completely open.
Right.
I'm just looking forward to the campus more, like at least my department. Yeah, and also so many, like he said, so many sports club, everything were there, but anything is not open yet.
Yeah. It's a different time altogether. Hopefully now
Yeah.
it'll be much better in the coming months. It's good that you two, like Swaraj and Sharad, you both deferred to spring, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, even me.
Even
Actually,
you?
I
Okay.
applied. Yeah, I applied for fall 2020, but I deferred for the next sem, like
It's
spring.
good that you guys did, because there's no point like you would do one semester online and then now you
Yeah.
see, right, once you come here you see all these opportunities opening up, studying on campus with students. It's a total different atmosphere. How's the food situation going on? Are you guys like struggling right now? Are you guys cooking with your roommates? How's things been?
So
Yeah.
in New York, you just go and get $1 pizza if you're hungry. But
Don't eat too
we
much of
managed
that.
to, yeah. We managed to get Indian groceries and we are cooking home.
Nice.
Yeah.
What about you?
Yeah. Like it has not been very difficult actually, since it's classes are all mostly virtual. We are getting a little time to cook and stuff, and we do get groceries nearby. One thing what I observed here was there are no small scale shops here like in India. They're all branded, and you have to go to a Jewel Osco or Target or Costco, and they're all around 1 mile just from here place. And mostly that one thing I noticed was that this one you have to go there or order online. About the food cooking, yeah, we're figuring it out slowly and surviving on breads for breakfast.
Yeah,
Yeah, cereals, breads. Yeah.
right. What about you, Shravanti?
Yeah, like we are cooking right now, like it's virtual even for me. So we are cooking right now ourselves, mostly at home only.
I was so fascinated with the supermarkets there because you get so much variety. It's like,
Yeah,
in
yeah.
India, there's like small stores you go to. Even if you go to like big bazaars, so like things are everywhere, but you wouldn't find the kind of variety you find at Jewel Osco or Target or Walmart. It's kind of insane, like the amount of types of cheese and types of chips and
Yes, yes.
pickles and sauces and
Correct.
just the
I was
quantity.
even surprised about the Walmart thing. They have a map for it. Like you have to see the map inside to figure out where stuff is kept, and then you have to
Yes.
map
A
inside
quick
a
quick
shop.
tip on that: just download their app And what the app will do is like it'll
Scan stuff.
figure out your location and then it'll give you
Yeah.
exact
Yeah.
details where things are. That's good. That's
The
all I
crazy
like.
part about so I'd like to add something. The crazy part about the supermarkets here I found is there are so many types of milk and eggs. There are different.
Yeah.
The eggs have variety literally from if the hen has eaten veg food or non-veg food, or if it's vegan.
Yeah, it is
It was
organic,
crazy.
grass
Yeah,
fed, and then if it's free roaming or not. It's a lot of things.
yeah,
I
yeah,
still buy the cheapest one, so I can't really
yeah.
complain about. But things are cheap. How did you feel about the prices? Like eggs are pretty cheap, bread is pretty.
Dairy is
Yeah.
pretty cheap. Yeah, the
Dairy
It's
is
not
pretty
that
cheap.
expensive as compared to US
Yeah.
prices, right?
Yeah. That's pretty cheap. Yeah, but the vegetables are a little on expensive part, but yeah, that's
It's funny, like
than
US
meat.
meat and vegetables are expensive.
Yeah, true.
How are your parents feeling?
Yeah, they are happy. They are very much excited than me actually. And yeah.
How about you, Sharath? How about you?
So okay, Sharan, go ahead.
Yeah, so yeah, my parents are all they were also excited before sending me, and then they keep asking about every little stuff, how things work here, and they're all this one about it. They keep asking how roommates, everything. They're all good, happy about that I'm started and everything's going smooth as of now.
Okay, that's good. How about you?
So my parents were really good supporting. They were happy. They were just concerned about this Joe Biden getting elected and there being riots. So
Oh,
being
that.
in New York, it was kind of scary. So they just suggested me to stay home
But
and
so
stay
I
safe.
don't think it would be a problem in New York. New York is like a
Nothing
democratic.
happened here. Nothing happened here. It was
Nothing
all
happened. I
normal.
don't think anything happened anywhere. At least here.
Yeah.
Just the Capitol, that was a bit
Oh
scary.
no, that was pre him coming into the
Yeah.
office. Today nothing
Yes,
happened.
yes.
When they were really expecting
Yeah.
things to happen.
Yeah, they were expecting a lot.
Yeah, that's all I had. Like anything you guys want to add or anything as if you want to talk about or tell students like uh, these are all the questions I had. I wanted to keep it just candid, like a conversation on seeing how you guys are feeling and how's your experience been in the first 2, 3, 4 weeks. But it seems like everything's been going good for you. So that's
Yeah.
a good sign.
One tip I'd like to give students is once you come here, just don't buy new stuff. Check everything on Facebook Marketplace. You'll get everything on Marketplace.
It's funny
Everything.
you say that, like that thing, that desk, the white desk you see, it's Marketplace, that small shelf right back there. It's Marketplace. Like it's cheap, man. Why would you buy? And it's almost new. Like you can't make out
Yeah, it's
if
almost
it's
no.
used
Yeah,
or not.
my whole room is Marketplace. I got everything from Marketplace.
Yeah, it was the same thing for me for when I was in college. Why buy new stuff? And it's almost like new, but they just buy new stuff on Black Friday and stuff. So the American
And
people sell it.
so I was getting this desk. The guy who sold me the desk, he just sold it because the upper part was loose. So I just came home and tightened 2 screws and it's done.
Oh man.
Crazy people here.
Yeah. It's a lot of money going around, but it's good. But
Yeah,
you learn a
yeah.
lot. But yeah, that's all I had.
That one thing is true. Like everything we will have to fix on our own. By I just heard him say that. Even in our bathrooms, obviously, you could know there's only paper here, and then we got a
So you
faucet
guys,
on our own, and we attached it.
yeah, and it's
Yeah,
like
we got the
I've done the
buttons.
same thing. Yeah, I've done the same
No.
thing. It's not too much of work. It's like
It's so easy.
Everything has a manual,
It's really
so
easy.
you just have to assign even the cots and the tables, chairs.
Cool. Anything you want to add, Shravanti?
Not really. Actually, the room I'm living right now, actually, the roommates were like PhD students and all, like more older than me. So I didn't have any problem. They were there. So they were actually very helpful too. They only received me from the airport.
That's nice.
So I didn't face any problems. They were there to me.
That's good. That's good. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for doing this. It was a lot of fun. And of
Yes.
course, hit me up
Do
on
do you need the LinkedIn profiles right now? We'll put it in the chat.
yeah, if you can just you can connect with me on LinkedIn. I'll just look up your name.
I am connected. I am connected with you.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, and then I'll go from there. All right, guys, thank you so much. Have a
Thanks,
great
Swadir.
evening.
Yeah,
Nice
thank you
talking
so
to you.
much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks
Thank you so much for doing
Keep
this.
posting videos. Yeah, we love them.
Yes.
I have a UIC university tour video which I never posted.
Yeah, I was
Oh,
gonna
is it?
mention
Yeah.
that. I was gonna mention that Parth has done this.
Yeah, actually, I've seen.
Like what happened was we visited in summers, and even though it was all
The
pre-COVID,
campus was empty.
the campus was empty. A lot of buildings were closed. The person was from like a medical field, so she did not have access to engineering schools. And a lot of campus was closed because it's downtown, right? It's not like like Purdue. You can access all the buildings all the time almost. But since it was weekend and a lot less students, they locked the buildings. So I didn't have a foolproof video.
Yeah, actually, one of the I would like to mention one of the significant video yours was you had gone to IIT Chicago. I guess you talked to the students there, and this was one of my main concern about Chicago being safe or not. And that video gave me like really great confidence actually. So to be honest, you asked those students, and they were also scared. And once they came here, they rated it as safe, and they would give 8 out of 10. So that actually video gave me a lot of confidence, and then I was like, okay, I'll move ahead. Not that.
And it's surprising because those are undergrad students. They're actually like really chilled. I'm still connected with those guys.
Yeah.
They're like always traveling around, and having fun. And it's like first year, second year. I think they were in second year when I did a video with them. And they're like, they know everything about Chicago, traveled around, and they have had cases where they have seen people like with guns in the pocket. But if you don't just stay apart and do your thing and don't stay outside until late. Then
that's true. Yeah.
Indianapolis is not like such a city, so you don't have to worry about drone.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's more NYU and Chicago is like New York and Chicago is a sort of a little unsafe.
New York isn't unsafe, just you need to ignore or just keep walking your way. New York. That's the main tip in New York. Keep walking your way. Don't look here and there.
Yep. You're correct on that. All right, guys. Thank you so much.
Yep.
Take care.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Nice talking to you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
See you guys.
Bye.